Hello everyone and welcome. Today I am going to talk about what is life and the true meaning of life as we see it. For years I have asked the question 1,000 times in my head and trying to find the answer to this question. Does life really have a meaning? Or does it have something more to offer? Is there life after death? Or do we get to see our loved ones again? Is there really a heaven or hell? Or is there a devil or a god? How many more years do I have left in this world? Well, these are questions that people have asked themselves in this lifetime and still don't know the answers yet. What I do know is that life is very confusing and it's hard to understand what life is all about. Let me sum up for you that life is really about seeing what you think what life really is about. The meaning of life is a philosophical and spiritual question concerning the significance of living or existence in general. It can also be expressed in different forms, such as what should I do? Why are we here? What is life all about? And what is the purpose of existence? Or sometimes we even wonder, does life exist at all? It has been the subject of much philosophical, scientific, and theological speculation throughout history. There have been a large number of proposed answers to these questions from many different cultures and ideological backgrounds. The meaning of life is in the philosophical and religious concepts of existence, social ties, consciousness, and happiness, things which border on these issues, such as symbolic meaning, ontology, value, purpose, ethics, good and evil, free will, the existence of one or multiple gods, conceptions of God, the soul, and the afterlife. Scientific contributions focus primarily on describing related empirical facts about the universe, exploring the context and parameters concerning the how of life. Science also studies and can provide recommendations for the purpose of well being and a related conception of morality. An alternative humanistic approach poses the question, what is the meaning of my life? The value of the question pertaining to the purpose of life may coincide with the achievement of ultimate reality, or a feeling of oneness, or even a feeling of fairness. This is what I found to be close to what life really is, and how we take this information and use it for the good. Life is like a summer breeze that blows right by us, or it's like the little things we enjoy, like sipping on a good old whiskey, or maybe having a glass of buttermilk. Whatever it is, we must take it like a grain of salt and do the best we can that was giving us in this lifetime. Remember, this life is too short to be upset or to be upset with others. We must forget our past and only focus on the future and keep pushing on. Because one day we might not get the chance that we want to do in this lifetime. I spoke to a man about life, and his words spoke true to me. What he said was the reason why it rains on earth is because all the angels are crying, and the desert sun in the morning time is more beautiful than anything else. The man also said that when he would look at the sunset or sunrise, he didn't know if he was on earth or looking directly at heaven. And his words have struck by me for a while now. And I think about what he said to me, and that I know that life is full of mysteries and possibilities for us all, and all we have to do is just find that one true meaning for us all. Thank you for listening to me about the true meaning of life and what this life has in store for all of us.